Hello, this is Ron with Rising Sun Properties. Today we are headed to Shizuoka. As you can see, it's quite a rainy day, but that doesn't mean we didn't get some beautiful views, like this one here over the bridge. This is a home. It's kind of out in the countryside, has a big beautiful yard as you can see. It's around Ito City, Shizuoka, 34.8 million yen, one story, 2 LDK, built in 1976 but newly renovated. 97 square meters of building, 1,328 square meters total, including the land. 17-minute walk to Izu Kogen Station, and it has the ability to have natural onsen water pumped into the bath. So that's great, and a lot of these homes do in the area. There is an extra charge for that, which I'll get into here in a minute. It does have this large deck that goes all the way across in front, so great area to read a book, hang out. There's a big yard, plenty of possibilities. This is septic, I believe, and also propane. As you can see, it has been newly renovated. Natural oak wood flooring. It only has one bathroom, so that's kind of the awkward thing about this house. There's one bathroom toilet on this side of the house, and on the other side is the onsen bath with the your laundry area and sink back there, so that's a little weird. But overall, it's a beautiful house. And here's one of the rooms. Tatami can probably be replaced, although it is turnkey style, ready to live in right now. Shoji looks great. The first video, I did have a photo of it shuttered, so you can see that all these windows can be shuttered. They do slide off from the sides. They don't, raise up from the top. So the older style. This is a large deck, probably 3.5 meters wide or more. Actually, it's quite big. Here's the kitchen, living room, dining room. So again, it's kind of an awkward build, but this would all be in one area, the living room, dining room. It does have a new kitchen. Here's the door. Plenty of space for cars. If you're wanting to park, you can probably fit 2 or maybe even 3 or 4 cars in the parking area. There are no air cons. Air conditioning is currently installed, but there are spots for them. Here's the dining kitchen. They call it a living room. It's just very subjective with the names, LDK, what you can use for. Here is the hallway going on to the other side of the room with the second room here. Didn't see any water damage, anything like that. This is an older home, so we would definitely want to get an inspection on it. But had a very nice feel, that good combination of Japanese and modern. And here on the walls you can see this older style, like 70s stucco. This has not been remodeled, so this is what the house originally looked like, probably most of it. There's a spot for an air con. It has a hole and electrical outlet already there. Again, the tatami looks aged but has been taken care of and doesn't need if you want to upgrade it and update it, that's fine, but I don't think it's necessary. Here's the bathroom with the onsen. So this has the ability to have onsen water pumped into it. It is about a 3 million yen charge up front, and then 600,000 every 10 years. There's a look with me in the tub. It's very deep and has a nice view out into the yard. So if you like onsen water and want one in your home, this is a great home to consider. Here's again a look out into the yard. It was a rainy day, but still pretty picturesque. So there's the home in Shizuoka, Ito. If you're interested in this home, it is available. If you're interested in others in the area, anywhere in Japan, we are a licensed realtor and can assist. Please reach out for a free consultation. Thank you very much and have a great day.